Hey, what's up everybody? It's Michael here at Byerly with another product of the week.
For the rest of your life. Byerly Trade.
Camping and the outdoors have never sounded better thanks to the King Premium Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker and Light. The King Outdoor Speaker and Light easily replaces your already existing 2-wire connection porch light. Its Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream music from any smart device or computer up to 32 feet away. With its 100-watt speaker, you'll have no problem hearing your favorite music over typical campground noise. The weatherproof casing shields it from the elements, and installation is quick and easy with the included hardware. The premium model features 45 RGB LEDs, which can be wirelessly controlled through an app. Through the app, you can also control dimming, color selection, and activate a bug mode to keep pesky insects away. The app also has a music equalizer, so you can precisely control your speaker's sound. Starting May 21st and running through the 27th, the King Premium Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker and Light will be on sale in-store and online for $209.99. Be sure to stay tuned to the channel for next week's video when we take a look at the Mopeka Ultrasonic Tank Check propane sensors. To stay up to date on all our latest videos, including these products of the week, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news.
For the